Good morning. Let us discuss about header and footer. So click on new page. So let me start with new Word document in which I would like to insert header and footer. Now let me ask you one question. What is the difference between heading of a document and header and footer? Both are same or different? Both are different. Heading is different, header is different. So what is a header? Header is, it is the area just below the page margin, below the top margin of the page, of the document. So what do you mean by this? Header is, what is the top margin of this page? This is the top margin, and area just below it is called as header. Otherwise I can say the area between the top margin and the first line of the text. Whenever I start typing, it started here, right? So whatever is the area that is between the top margin and the first line of the document is said to be header. And then how can I edit this header? How can I insert a header? Is there any header in this document? No. How can I insert? So there are some steps. Click on insert tab and then go to header footer group and click on header. Right, you will find different varieties of inserting, different templates you can get, where you can choose any one of these and then type the text. Right, Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayanagaram. Right, so this is the header I would like to have, and then you can edit, you can format it. How you can format it? You can apply some color and then you can make it bold, you can increase the font, and you can make it center aligned. Fine. So now this Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayanagaram is the header. And one thing you must observe, whenever I am editing this header part, this workspace is now disabled. When header is enabled, automatically this workspace will be disabled. How can I get back to workspace? You click anywhere, double click on that Word document, you will come back to this normal workspace where this header part will be, seems to be disabled. Right, so that indicates it's not a heading, it is a header. What is a heading? Let me insert a heading. So this is heading part. Right, this is heading part, and Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayanagaram is header part. This is header part and this is heading part, and this is the text. I would like to insert some random text. Right, this is inserting a random text. Let me increase the font. Right, so this is the random text I inserted. It's based on some video related content. Right, so once I increase, see, let me continue this page on the next. Right, can you see that heading is not repeated? What is the heading here? Heading is heading part is not repeated in the second page, whereas header part is repeated. Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayanagaram is automatically appearing in the next page. For example, if I say again rand, and again it is inserting some sample text. This is page 3, right? This is page 3 of 3. See, this is page 3 of 3. This page 3 is automatically getting that header, right? So this is how you have to insert the header. What are the steps? What are the steps, children? Click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. And then what next? What next? Go to header footer tab. Go to header footer. Header and footer group. And then click on header. And then type text. Next. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow in order to insert a header. This is most important, right? Header is the area just below the top margin. And what about footer? Can you guess how to insert a footer and what is a footer? Footer is the area just above the bottom margin, right? This is the bottom margin. Area just above that bottom margin. How to insert? Again, click on insert, click on footer, and then click, let me insert page number here. I don't want to insert any text, rather I want to insert page number. So in that case I will click on this page number on bottom of the page and then let it be 1. Right, see, header and footer both are active now and this workspace is disabled. Right, so let us see the content. How I can see? Let me see. Heading is this. Header is Kendriya Vidyalaya Vizianagaram. Footer is having the page number. This is page number 1. Page number 2 is automatically appearing. Page number 3 is also automatically appearing. Fine. So how do I increase the font size of this footer? You can select that and then you can increase and then you can format. That will be applied to all the page numbers. See, page number 2 and then page number 1. Fine. So this is how you have to insert headers and footers. What are the steps? Again, click on insert tab, go to header and footer section, click on header or click on footer in order to insert either header or footer. Thank you.